In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Calendly time zone. First, open Calendly in your browser and sign into your account. On any page in Calendly, look up to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. This opens a small menu. Choose Profile to go to your personal profile settings where you control details that appear on your booking pages and how times are displayed. On this page, you can update your name if it needs a tweak. This is what invitees see on your scheduling links, so make it clear and professional. Just below that, there's a welcome message field. Use it to set a friendly sentence or two that greets visitors before they pick a time, such as what the meeting covers or what they should prepare. Next, you'll see options for language, date format, and time format. Language changes the interface for both you and your guests. Date format lets you choose between styles like month, day, year, or day, month, a year, which helps avoid confusion for international audiences. Time format lets you decide between 12-hour and 24-hour clocks. Pick the one your invitees will find most familiar. There's also a country setting, which helps Calendly localize defaults for you. All of these preferences support your meeting experience, but the most important item here is time zone. Find the time zone field and open the selector. You can search by city name or by the GMT UTC offset. Choose the time zone that reflects where your calendar actually lives, not necessarily where you're traveling today. Calendly will automatically adjust for daylight saving time and show times correctly to your invitees in their own local time, as long as your profile is set accurately. If you maintain multiple calendars across tools, it's smart to match this with the time zone used on your primary calendar to keep everything in sync. When you're done reviewing these preferences, scroll to the bottom and click Save Changes. You should now see your profile reflect the updates immediately. Going forward, your event types will display availability based on the time zone you selected, and confirmations and reminders will follow suit. That's it. You went to your profile from the top right icon, reviewed your personal details, set language and formatting preferences, selected the correct time zone, and saved your changes. Thanks for watching and enjoy smoother scheduling with accurate times every time.